Nearly everybody is typing a response to a Gmail message because they don't know that Google has a better way. I mean, we all do this every time. Someone sends us a message, we get that message, and we think we got to craft a response. And that's not always the case. Sometimes you don't even need to use words. You know, like this message right here, I'm going to get in a moment. And here came the message here. Now, I could respond back with words, or I could use this icon here or this icon here, and I can simply respond back with a thumbs up, and it's sending down here, and I can undo it or just let it go, because sometimes all it takes is that, just to let the person know that you got their message. It's real simple. Sometimes it takes words. Sometimes an emoticon is all that we need to use. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I hope you find this useful.